this pile of rocks you see behind me, it is reported that it was piled up by a man. Many knew that he didn't have any hands at all. And as to how he used to put these things on his head from the bush to this place still remains a mystery. Fortunately, this is not the only issue of mystery that we can record in this particular community. There are several of them, and come with me as we explore these mysteries. Well, it was at this spot some time ago, about 7 months, I should say, I met a young man whom I greeted in a language I knew he understood clearly. Unfortunately, this young man did not respond to my greetings. In fact, I was on my way to the toilet. And here in Africa, especially in this part of Ghana, if you meet someone and you do not greet, it shows a sense of disrespect. So usually when you meet someone, the first thing to do is to acknowledge that you have seen them by greeting. But it was so unfortunate that when I greeted this young man, he did not respond. And I went out to find out why. So I met a close friend of his and I asked him why. He said, when you are on your way to the toilet, you don't greet people in this community. And that was the reason why he thought his friend met me and did not respond to my greetings. As to why, when this thing should happen, that when you are on the way to the toilet, people should not respond to your greetings, or you should not also greet people. Let's see what happens, and then what the people's opinions are about this particular subject. Come with me.
So atuma ka kena tuma yela ka pogole be ka dole be ki dia pogo be dia pogo ka jina tuma wo.
You don't talk, receive calls, or play songs whilst you are on your way or in the process of freeing yourself. When you naked yourself, genes come around and they can strike you with a disease like poverty when they enter your body. It is our grandparents who say so. So we can't stop it. We can't stop following it. If we stop it, it won't be good. If you are going to toilet and you greet someone, it will look like you are insulting the person, or you want to give the person sickness or diseases. Don't greet or respond to greetings when going to the toilet. You can transfer diseases to people whom you are greeting or responding to their greetings on your way. It is better to greet after you are done and returning.